Can banana improve sleep quality? Bananas are the ideal snack since they are small, portable, convenient, and delicious. They include a lot of potassium, magnesium, vitamin C, B6, and fiber. One medium banana has 9% of your daily potassium, 33% of your vitamin B6 requirement, and 8% of your magnesium requirement. Bananas can also help with weight loss, edema reduction, and white blood cell formation. They are abundant in antioxidants and help protect you from cancer-causing chemicals as well. But can bananas actually improve your sleep quality? As it turns out, this well-known fruit is an excellent sleep aid. Bananas contain a variety of vitamins and minerals that are proven to help you sleep better. With serotonin and melatonin, bananas lower stress and anxiety, relieve muscular cramps, and regulate your sleep-wake cycle. Bananas are not only high in nutrients, but the magnesium, potassium, and vitamin B6 in this fruit work together to help you get to sleep fast and sleep comfortably. Bananas reduce muscle cramps. Bananas' rich potassium content calms your muscles and minimizes overnight cramps. Muscle cramps are frequently caused by low potassium levels and are prevalent in pregnant women. Because potassium helps to regulate sodium and electrolytes in the body, it will lower the chance of overnight muscular cramps. It works as a muscle relaxant, allowing you to fall asleep fast and avoid sleep interruptions. Bananas reduce stress and anxiety. Bananas are high in magnesium, which helps you relax and release stress and tension before bed. Magnesium influences the hypothalamus, the area of the brain that governs the adrenal and pituitary glands, and helps alleviate anxiety symptoms. Because stress is one of the leading causes of insomnia, a banana before bed may be just what you need to fall asleep quickly. Bananas reduce insomnia. Magnesium is important for achieving undisturbed sleep because it helps the body regulate GABA levels. GABA levels are neurotransmitters that help people sleep by lowering their brain waves and soothing their bodies. Because magnesium promotes appropriate GABA levels, persons suffering from insomnia or other sleep problems often find relief by eating a banana before bed. Bananas increase serotonin and melatonin production. Bananas include vitamin B6, which converts the amino acid tryptophan to serotonin, the neurotransmitter that regulates melatonin levels in the body. Melatonin controls your internal clock by making you tired at night. By eating a banana before bed, you provide your body with the nutrients it requires to relax and sleep soundly. Bananas prevent restless leg syndrome. When the body is at rest, restless leg syndrome will frequently produce tingling or itching, and an uncontrolled need to move one's legs. RLS patients have difficulty sleeping, and frequently suffer from chronic sleep deprivation. Bananas, which are high in potassium, can be a natural and efficient solution to relieve the discomfort associated with ILS. Bananas reduce blood pressure. Potassium serves to counteract the negative effects of sodium in the body, and naturally controls blood pressure. Those who have high blood pressure can help decrease it by consuming potassium-rich meals and snacks, like bananas. The bottom line is that bananas can definitely improve your sleep quality, and they make a delicious bedtime snack as well. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to get more videos like this one.